Hey, what's up guys? Justin with Tier 1 Gear and EDC Reviews. Today we're going to take a look at the compound designed Bestech Wibra. Now this is such a beautiful blade, and it was actually inspired by the vibranium weapons used in the movie Black Panther. You can see it has a satin Wharncliffe blade, which is made from Bowler M390. It has a beautiful milled titanium handle, and it is a frame lock design. The pocket clip is tip-up right-hand carry only, and the ergos are absolutely fantastic. You know, even though it is a somewhat slender profile, it still fits the hand quite well. Now, the action on it is just as great because it drops shut no problem and deploys like a charm. Now, the overall length on this guy is a solid 8 inches. The blade being 3.50. The width of the blade is 0.85 with a thickness of 0.15. Now, the handle length or close length is 4.625 with a width of 0.75 and a thickness of 0.50. Now, the weight on this bad boy is 3.190. So definitely a great EDC weight, and to be honest, it does not feel like 3 ounces. I guess it's just the way the knife is designed. It really feels much lighter than it actually is. Now, compared to the Native 5, you can see it's roughly about 1.5 inches larger than the Native 5. Compared to the ProTech SBR, it's almost a good 2 inches larger than the SBR. But another knife that was actually designed by the same designer, Combao, this is the Bestech Camosa, which is right around the same size. And man, if that's not the most sliciest Tonto I've ever seen in my life, then I don't know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Check me out on Instagram for much more. Stay safe. See you guys on the next one.